Hey guys, welcome back to Crunchy Dust Corner. Today we are making a gingerbread house out of Pop-Tarts with some of these candies. You guys can get any candies you would like. Okay guys, so we got these flavors, which we got Pop-Tarts, Fruit Loops, which is limited edition, and we got Pop-Tarts Cookies and Cream. But you guys can get any flavors you would like. But the candies we got some red licorice, we got some Skittles, some gumdrops, we got some green peppermints, some red Starburst, some green Sour Patch, a red Sour Patch, green licorice, we got gummy bears, we got Micah Night Sour, but you guys can get, and we got peppermint sticks.
Candy canes.
Peppermint candy canes.
Candy canes.
Peppermint candy canes.
Candy canes. Just candy canes.
We got candy canes. We got some sprinkles here. We got some little bit of mistletoes. We got some snow. And we got some little bit of confetti, it looks like. So, you guys can get any candies that you would like. And you guys can get any Pop-Tarts. We got some of these vanilla Pillsbury high frosting, I guess I would say. And we put it into this baggie so we can squeeze it out, you guys know. Okay guys, so it's time to start building our gingerbread house. But I'm gonna start off with the Fruit Loops. The Fruit Loops Pop-Tarts. You guys will be needing 3 packs of Pop-Tarts, which is 6 Pop-Tarts. So as you can see, we got 1, 2, and 3. So, then you're going to want to open them up like this. Just kind of very... Oh wow, guys, look at this. I didn't know it. Oh, it's, guys, it's the Fruit Loops. It's the Fruit Loop spoon that he scoops up the food. There's one that has Fruit Loops with stuff. Open every single one and do this. Stack them up to 2, just how they do. Just like that. That should be enough. So that is 2, 4, 6 if you multiply it. So, first, let's start off with our first step. You get 2 Pop-Tarts. You're going to want to do this. Put the Pop-Tart exactly the same amount like this, but put the first one here, the first one here. You're going to want to get this corner to the middle. So you're going to want to be careful and kind of cut it to the middle.
Like a little triangle.
Like a little triangle when it comes out. Just like that. See? Now you're going to want to switch it. Cut it a little like. Okay, since we did that part, we're going to want to be like this. The other side, and you're going to want to, you got to be very careful. Adult supervision, guys, because unless you're old enough to use a knife by yourself. Oh, you want to make sure it's straight, because if it's not straight, your gingerbread house isn't going to come out right. So, there we go, guys. Look, so this will be our door. So, you're going to want to repeat that again. So, you're going to want to stack the other one on top of the other one and cut it. So, you don't have to do the same thing. Be very careful. Don't touch the tip. So there we go. Now you guys are gonna do this thing, and you're gonna wanna cut it like this so it matches the amount. Yeah, and then I can do this since I see my marker. I can just boom. There we go. Oh wow, look at this, guys. Has some jelly. Now So then you're gonna want to do that again, but you guys can do this, like this one on top. So then you can match it and snap it. Ding! Good job. And then the last one, you're gonna keep this as 2, 2, and 2s. And you're gonna want to put the crumbs. You're gonna have 2 doors, one for the front, one for the back. You're gonna have these that go on the sides for the little walls, and you have these for the roof. You're gonna have two doors, 2 walls, and 2 roofs. You guys can see. You guys want to grab your thingamajigger bag. So we're gonna start with our door. You wanna put it. Sometimes it's gotta. There we go. Oh my God. Little by little. There we go. I think that should be good enough. We can just... There you go. That should be good enough, guys. So now we're gonna squeeze this. So now we're gonna put this down and grab our wall. Okay. Oh yeah. There we go.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Put it like this. Grab your door. And then we're gonna grab your wall. I did on this side. Ooh, don't want to mess up my gingerbread. There we go. Now, the finale. This is not the finale yet, but we're getting close. You want to kind of be very gentle. So now you guys have your house. This is mine. That's pretty cool. Now you're going to want to grab the frosting all over here. Just like so.
Let me see.
Yeah. Okay. You want to grab your roof, stick it like, stick that side like that, and stick this side like that. Oh, that looks so cool, guys. And then you're gonna want to grab your frosting and put on it the top, just like so. So then it can stick together. Okay guys, so this is what I figured out. If you guys, so as you guys can see, you guys can stick these, you guys can stick those like that, stick it like that, and stick it together. And this is what I like to do. So this is what I was thinking of, guys. this. And I can get these two and put each one on the side. So now it looks like a little doorway. Look at that, guys. Now we can start adding the candy. Wash my hands real quick, and then I'll come back and put the candy on. So guys, this is what I figured out as well. Put some.
You have some,
What? Okay, but first, now, other side.
get yourself a little turntable like that. It's easier. That way you can help them out with the frosting. That way they can go.
My mom's helping me, guys, because I don't want to get my hands
He
dirty.
seems to be getting his hands dirty with the frosting, so
Yeah.
give him a little help.
So, do you guys?
Look at all these yummy candy toppings.
These are so good, guys. Look, I'm gonna try this Mike Knights. Try grape. What do you guys think about this gingerbread house? I think this gingerbread house is cool because I made it. And it looks pretty cool. It's like kind of like candy raining from the sky, plus snow. Not fully done yet, but I'm gonna do some more, and I'll show you guys what I'm gonna be doing next. Uh-oh, fix that. Thank you.
Yeah. There we go.
Right, good. Uh-oh, that one's no good no more. Use a different color. There we go, guys. Actually, I think we can fit a couple more. There we go.
On this side, maybe more green.
Green?
Yeah. I got a lot of candy, so
Like,
yeah.
going up.
For the roof, right? There.
Look like lights.
Ándale. Let me put more here. Turn it.
Uh-oh. Look at that, guys. Pretty dope.
So,
It looks like it's a door. That's good.
There you go.
Result of the gingerbread house. Like this. As you can see, it's pretty cool. It looks really cool. This is the doorway. This is the door. This is just some lights. This is some lights up here. Snowing. It's snowing candy. It's snowing. And these are lights right here. And it has little lights on the edges too. It has gummy bears. Like a little fence. Candy fence. And then I think that's all. The little passageway. You walk on the gummy bears. And that's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit that thumbs up, hit the notification bell so you guys can never miss a video of Panchita's Corner.